Hindi yan inervisin.
Score is napakataas na 2-2.
All two.
Vincent to Roy, Mr. Young to Mr. Kwamba, Mr. C. Hook shot by Mr. C for Team Palms. Parang nire-reserve nila si Gavin tayo. Ang ganda na nila sa loob, hindi ka pumasok tayo. Steal by our spring MVP. Save by the MVP. Rebound by Jason. Jason to Mr. C. Mr. C. Pinagpunta. Roy. Foul on Mr. of the International Association of the Rugby. White ball. Hindi natin siya. Wait lang daw, wait. A minute pa pinagin. You have to inbound the ball. What is strictly red? A rugby is the official rugby of the international traveling. Napakalupit ang ating rugby. Sugar na. Napakalaking sugar na. Kuya Mish, Kubeke. 1 point, rebound by Jason. Jason lang silang gano'n. Jason guarded by 2 points. Jason Ramsey. Home team is 2 points. That team is 6 points. Paul SB for 3. No good. Rebound by Lord. Lloyd of the white team, pinasinta sa tres. No good, rebound by Brandon. Brandon, dyan ka gahimugan na. Go to Kuya Mitch on 3. No good, same team, rebound, Jason and Mr. Lloyd. Mr. C on 3 points. No good. And Tipak Lloyd. Rebound by Brandon. Paul Leslie on 3. Still no good. 8 by foul. Nakita na. Yeah, Jason. First personal foul. First team foul. Foul by one team. On the floor. Sabi ni Jason. Coach Brandon on 3. 3 points. For the blue team. Score is 5-6. Blocked by Coach Brendan.
Ayun o.
Kuya Orly. Rebound by Kuya Orly. Take it out, Jason for three. Let's see. Okay, no. Rebound by Brandon. Paul SB. Tira na yan. Rebound pa yan kung shoot pa ulit. 2 points for Paul SB. Substitution. Automatic substitution. 3 in 1. Referee committee later the inside. Best all-around referee. Anthony ball three, no good. Rebound by Jason Ramsey. Jason Ramsey attacking the ball. Good defense by Jonathan Lugo. Jaya Leja. The ball has been easy 2 points for the blue team. 2 points for Paul SB. I'm pretty sure they're going with the drums. Wow! Kuya Jan Jan! Ano ba?
Isang mo yan.
Konti-konti. Ano talaga? Sensitive tayo dito.
Paul.
Malino. And tayo. Vitamin A.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Guys. Pag
Sa
hindi na sa.
Swish for the Western
Yaman ni Jella. Okay. Yun na nga. Sabi ko nga kay Ronel, palitan niya yan. Hindi ko nga kaya.
Uy, nice pass. Assistant Paul SB to John Caligo. 2 points for the blue team. 13-11. Ang bilis mo match up. Ganda naman ko ng news. 2 points na lang. Sunny, 3 points, no good. Rebound by Marcayo. Marcayo for team captain. Team captain Carlos. Sobrang fun ng pag-ibig natin. Paul SB. Pinagin na siya. 3 points. Paul SB. Yard the blue team. Our team busy. Tama pa rin daw ang scores. Sabi ng ating statistician. Paul SB to Sunny. Sunny jumper shot. Uy, pabor pa. 2 points for the blue team. Blue team is now leading by 1 point. 16-15. Jason Ramsey from the white team. Uy, jumper shot. Jumper shot. Jason Ramsey. Assisted by himself. Jason Ramsey. 17-16. Jonathan Bo, Jonathan Sam. Oh, foul. Almost counted. Carlos, team captain Carlos, of course, first personal foul. Third team foul. Sam on the free throw line for a shot. In and out. Sayang. Rebound out. Sino sasabi ko rebound? Nagko-coach ka. Ano ba yun? February na, player ka. Rebound coach. Rebound by Jason Rand. Jason, already. 16-20. Again, one team is up by 4. Paul SB, Suzanne. Ooh. And there is a foul. Ang galing naman na ating referee. Hindi naman pala pinapakain natin ng donut ng team. Kuya John Hereza, on the free throw line. Uy, swish! Kuya John, bakit nang naging 45 ka, tsaka ka nakakashoot ng madami sa free throw? Pero si Kuya John Hereza, malakas talaga yung ilalim. See, I told you. Malakas yung sa ilalim. Malakas ng kasal. Lee Sayang. Team Captain Carl, second foul, personal foul. Yeah, Sunny winner again. Sunny, orange, we love you. Rebound by Jason. Kuya John, pumuesto ulit sa short foul, short. Saved by Sunny. Sunny all the way, but no. Uy, ganda naman yung pwede. Bumba. 3 seconds violation pala. Yung pang-uwi lang yun eh. Saan ba tayo yung training ba? Ang ganyan ng training. Bravo. Ang linaw naman ng mata na ng referee. Yeah, 10 minutes. Again, you can change players. Ano ba? Kapatid na si Players mo, parang lagaan. Sayang na sayang. 17-20, Paul SB versus Jason Ramsey. Uy, pinanay. It's a hook shot by Paul SB. 7 and 10 minutes on night club. Rebound by Sir John. To Paul SB. Started away. Still blue team. Blue ball.
Hoy, wag mong galingan masyado. Wag mong galingan, ha? Galingan masyado.
Jumper shot, Sunny, no good. Rebound by Jason. Jason to Kuyajel. Kuyajel, 3 points. Finessing the back. No good. Rebound by Tyler. Kuyajel hesitated. Alex Conrad. Still rebound by Tyler. Ang lakas ng rebound. May foul. Foul on John Teresa.
Sabi niya, wala-wala.
Ikaw na naiyak tayo. Alam ko meron ng ano, para sa
Ayun na!
Score is 21, 123. Rebound by Sam. Sam, 2 points for the blue team. 24-21. That was it. What is that one like? 2 points by Jason Rice. Coach Brandon to Sam. Sam back to Kuya Rich. Kuya Rich protected. Jumper shot. Rebound by Jason. To Kuya Jel. Kuya Jel to Lloyd. Malunas ang buko. Uy! What happened? I did not see it. 25-24. White team is again leading by 1. Brandon for the blue team. Strategizing for the team. Kuya Mitch. Kuya Mitch back to Brandon. Brandon. Oi! Foul. Carl. Team captain. Carls, your 3 personal foul. Tornado warning, 3 personal foul. 6 team fouls for team Carls. Brandon in the free throw line. First shot. Swish. 25-25. The scoring. Second shot. In and out. Rebound. Nakalakoling ka rin. Kuya Rich. Kuya Rich, bawal ako tingnan inside. Jason Nancy. All the way to the boy. Jason. Naglalaban. Uy! Staying alive. Sam to Paul SB. Paul. Uy! No good. Rebound by Kyle. Kyle. Pinulang naman natin. Oh, that's me. 2 points. On the inside. Kuya, o di ba naman nag-print ka dyan? Ayaw ko po ba na? Carl, jumper shot. Rebound by Palo. Sayang, nakita. Sam. Talagang na ba ang floor? 14 fouls, isang kami personal foul. Isang kalasang first personal foul. 27-29, only a 2-point game.
Galingan mo. Yan mo siya, galingan pala. Ayaw namin ng ganyan. Ayan o.
3-point game, 3-point game. Coach Brandon. Lock. No good. Rebound by Paul SB. 31-27, 24-point lead. 3 points, no.
Ah, yan o.
Tayo. Team Carls. Team Captain Carls on the move. Rebound by Brandon. Brandon to Paul SB. Easy naman. Basic. Basic.
Ganyan na ako na. Kung ganyan sinabi ko sa'yo.
Pinagpapasa ko na ito dalawa.
Ganyan sinabi ko sa'yo.
Wala itong ganyan. Hindi ka, wala kang ano. Maybe ka sa ano. Kapag may party-party. Bakit tayo nila depensa, Lucy? Nice move. Sayang. Ano bang issue, sayang? Relax lang, oh, relax. 35-28, amin lang yan. Uy! Amin yan! Alley-oop! Me and Kuya Orly in. Kuya Orly, siya sa pinakabatang player. Uy, ganda naman. Talagang kumakabay. Rebound by Brandon. Coach Brandon on the move. Uy, ganda! Si Kuya Tumana, si Kuya Orly. Kasi naka-score sila ng Brandon. 3 points for the blue team. Wait. So, 34 na ang 34 for reckless scoring. This is the moment. Unang momento. On the floor. Kuya Del, no. Sidebar? Sidebar ba o sideline? Ang tawag doon? Sideline? Hindi sidebar? Hindi side hustle? Uy! Na-excite.
Nag-travel.
Ang bilis. Sumawag dito pa. Hindi mo nakatingin pa gano'n. Kasi pa yung dito partida pa yan. Ang pag-usap pa sa amin yan. Uy, tayo. Uy, rebound by Sunny. Ay, nakakuha ng talapat si Sunny. Uy! Foul penalty, Mr. C. How many fouls, Mr. C? First personal foul. And 9. Penalty na sila, ha? 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left in the ball game for the first half. 37-35. Uy, lumamang na ang blue team. Oh, 2 minutes left. We'll announce. Okay. We are now 3 points. 3 points for the white team. 38-37. The lead is now back to the white team. Oh, Kuya Jel. Second personal foul, Kuya Jel. And 10 team foul. So penalty na ang white team. Rebound daw. Ito nagko-coach pa ang ating Stay ka daw dyan.
Sabi sa'yo, magalingan eh.
And then rebound daw. Box out. Push. For the blue team. 38-38. Saan tayo balon-balon ng mga kababayan? Napaka rescue